Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you can download our ebook, The Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. It is completely free. Our ebook, our text messaging service, and email are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services whatsoever. Well, guys, what a difference a week makes. Wall Street's benchmark index charged to its best weekly advance since late October last year. The gauge also snapped a 4-week losing streak and is now just 2% below its record close. All major indices have seen a V-shaped bounce and filled the carry trade crash gap from 4 weeks ago. The point is that a lot of the easy money has been made, and the market will likely chop until there is another catalyst. The next major catalysts are jobless claims this Thursday and Powell's speech at Jackson Hole on Friday. If the stock market likes both catalysts next week, the S&P, QQQ, Dow, and IWM, which is the Russell 2000 small cap ETF, should retest their highs. As you can see below, the QQQ has gaps to fill at 480 and 495. Those would be the next targets. If QQQ trades above 477, I would turn bearish on QQQ if it trades below 460. SPY has a gap to fill above 565. If SPY can trade above 555, I will be bullish. I would turn bearish on SPY if SPY trades below 540. The IWM has gaps to fill below at 215, and if IWM trades above that gap at 216 or higher, IWM can retest its high at 225. I would turn bearish on IWM if it trades below 205. So again, that is the gap here, fill to here. You see that I'm talking about 216. Should go back and test the highs. Since what has become known as Black Monday 2024 on August 5th, a day when the S&P cratered 3%, the rebound has been well and truly on. A host of data indicators released last week continue to quell economic slowdown fears and gave investors the confidence to dive back into growth areas. Markets were already trending upward going forward into last week following August 8th's reading on initial jobless claims, which showed their largest weekly decline since September of last year. That had helped becalm recession jitters after the July jobs report sparked widespread concern over the health of the economy earlier this month. Also, we had last week data on inflation and retail sales, along with upbeat comments from retail giant and consumer bellwether Walmart, further invigorated sentiment. The economic calendar was packed. A quick look across the board suggests recession jitters may be overdone. Inflation continues its gradual descent, and business optimism has trended higher amid cooler input price growth and steady consumer spending, according to Wells Fargo. They added, while the growth picture appears solid, it is unlikely to settle the debate on the degree of monetary policy easing this year until we get more clarity on the labor market with this week's preliminary payroll benchmark revision and August jobs report. With the favorable economic data this week, market participants have dialed back their expectations for an aggressive 50 basis point rate cut by the Fed at its meeting in September. According to the CME Fed, the odds of a smaller 25 basis point cut are at 72.5%. Moving on, some charts that I like. PSNY, Polestar Automotive, getting this bottoming here off the 60 cents here, breaking a trend line here. Next target is $1.51. LDI, Loan Depot. This is a mortgage company spiking up here. Nice steady climb up here. Got the spike on Friday. This one looks like it wants to go higher and test the earlier highs this year at 370. RVLV, nice chart here. We got 27% short interest. Trupanion, TRUP, shorts have been all over this one. 37% short interest. So looking for another catalyst, can really squeeze the shorts higher. Looking for a breakout here. UHAL, UHAL. On the verge of a breakout here above. We got a double top here. Need to get above there, which is double top 69.25. So we got 69.18 and 69.25 breakout above there. To even be safe above 70, and we're going to get that breakout at 21% short interest. FUBO, FUBO, 15% short interest. Finally looks to have bottomed. They got the news that there was a court injunction against a competing sports streamer. So this is indeed bullish news. Look for this one. Target on this one is $1.96, $2. Alibaba, finally breaking out. JP Morgan raised its target to overweight with the 105 price target. Again, finally making a move here in Alibaba. MRVI, this is MRVI Life Sciences, may be worth $15 to $20 a share in a potential takeover based on precedent transactions, according to an RBC analyst. The report is that Repligen RGEN has made an offer for the vaccine reagent vendor. The stock was up 21% after a Reuters report of the Repligen takeover approach on Friday. There's no certainty that MRVI will accept the deal, according to the report. RBC analyst Connor McNamara said, while we do believe MRVI is a good takeout candidate given its unique product offer, we are unsure if RGEN is the natural buyer. Reuters also reported that Repligen is deciding if it should divest some of MRVI's division if it acquires the company. Let's see here. Okay, moving on. ORGN Materials, ORGN, was up 30% on Friday, 11-month high after reporting a Q2 loss, but announcing a major milestone with its first major customer signed for PET caps and closures, expecting to generate $100 million in revenue during the initial 2-year term. ORGN also indicated the start of commercial production of PET caps in Q4, with revenue ramping up starting in Q1 2025, supported by partnerships with Reed Citigroup in the U.S. and the Bachman Group in Europe. Following the news, Bank of America's Steve Byrne upgraded ORGN to buy from neutral with a $3 price target raised from $1.35, saying that while he sees long-term value in the company's biomass conversion technology, the ramp in PET closures pulls forward his estimate of EBITDA break even to 2027 from 2029 previously, with potential for profitability in 2026 due to additional discussions underway for closures, contracts, and or license. And then, amid an ongoing monkeypox outbreak, Tonix Pharmaceuticals, TNXP, extended gains on Friday. It was at pre-market, ended up closing down. I think this is an under the radar play in terms of monkeypox. Its experimental monkeypox shot could be a single-dose regimen. The company's vaccine candidate TNX-801 is a live attenuated virus vaccine targeted at smallpox as a single-dose regimen. Bavarian Nordic's Jynneos, the only FDA-approved vaccine for monkeypox, requires 2 doses 4 weeks apart for immunization. Citing preclinical data, Tonix CEO Seth Lederman said that TNX-801 provides immunity with enhanced safety and tolerability without the need for multiple doses required at 6 6-month intervals like mRNA vaccines. Preclinical trials demonstrate that TNX-801 combines immune protection with improved tolerability and safety compared to other vaccines based on orthopox viruses and administered with a single dose, which has advantages over 2-dose regimens. Sweden on Thursday became the first country outside Africa to report a monkeypox case linked to the ongoing outbreak, which the World Health Organization has declared a global public health emergency. The Swedish government confirmed the infection attributed to the clade LB type of mpox virus involved in the recent outbreak. According to officials, the person is undergoing treatment after getting infected with the virus in Africa. Mpox clade 1, responsible for the current outbreak, is believed to be more virulent than the version that caused the previous Mpox outbreak, which the WHO named as a public health emergency in 2022. The virus, formerly known as monkeypox, spreads through close contact, leading to fever, rash, and swollen lymph nodes as some of its symptoms. The U.S. and Canada have yet to report Mpox cases linked to the latest outbreak. Lastly, guys, I will also be scanning pre-market as I do each and every trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why signing up is so important. And again, it's completely free. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and mobile number. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.